morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is October 26th, and we are continuing Hillary's birthday celebration with a tea party. I think it's Nightmare Before Christmas theme, which I think is gonna be amazing, but there's a lot of Alice in Wonderland stuff too, I guess. I don't know. But we're at Gillette Stadium area. They have a bunch of shops and everything, and I'm so excited to get this started and going. We don't know where we're going right now, so we're gonna figure that out. Say hello. Hi. Come say hello. Hi. All right, let's go do this. I'm so excited. Hillary. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. This first drink is called Beetlejuice. I just said it 3 times, so is it good? Okay guys, we made it to Mirbeau Inn and Spa, and we're trying to find our hotel room. Wait, what's happening?
It's private. Is there a map?
Okay, so we're in room 222 on floor 2, which is very satisfying.
No, are we in room 222?
But we can't
What's this
find.
right here?
Yeah, room 222. Wait, what does it say?
This is private. All those and then the stairs.
Oh my gosh, we can't find our room.
Yeah.
So 208, 206. So we have supposed to be a lot of different rooms. Do we have to go up on the higher floor?
I don't know. I thought he said second floor.
Me too.
Yeah. Well, it's in 222.
Let's try it again.
Oh my god, guys.
Oh, maybe. Oh, gosh. It's a green princess.
Oh my god. Okay, so we're in the guest house, which is like across this cute little bridge and into this other building. Okay, there we go. Rooms 220, 207, we're 222. Good news, we found it. I'm gonna have to do an official tour for you guys because this is officially one of the nicest places I have ever stayed at. Okay guys, here's the official hotel tour because you know I love myself a good hotel tour. So we walk in, room 222 on floor 2 in the guest area, and it's so satisfying. So we walk in, you ready? Okay, we're walking in. We have a cute little desk right here. First is like a little alcove thing here. Painting, desk. Looks like we have some coffee here. And then this is the view of the room. We got these beds. I'm like, what? Obsessed with these. Like, these are so beautiful. We got a little seating area over here with a fire pit, which we will be burning later when we watch movies. I think this is just a little wardrobe. Oh, it has the TV in here, actually. That's cool. And then we're gonna come into here to these 2 doors and look at this tub. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to take pictures in here. We got robes. We're gonna have to order 2 more because there's 4 of us. We got this little bathroom here. I remember this tub because I shot a wedding here once, and I did a picture of the bride in the tub, which was really fun. The shower, this is big, like tile shower. Can I open it? So nice. Hi. There's the sink. I think it's a closet, and then over here is the toilet. And then last but not least is the view of this place. So you're gonna come out over here, open the door, open the screen door, and here's the view. Can you, like, excuse me for a second? This is amazing. So yeah, that's the tour of the place. This is where we'll be staying for today, tonight, and then a little bit of tomorrow. And we have some just fun, kind of relaxing activities that we're gonna get up to. I'm really excited. I know we have dinner later, but yeah, I'm so excited. You got a little card. What does it say on the inside? Like, thank you. Aww, fun.
That's so cute.
There's also this like menu where you can get bath bombs, shower mist, and bath salts, but it's like $30. Okay, real quick, I wanted to show you our unpacked room and the amount of shoes that we have between 3 people because Lindsay is not even in here and unpacked yet. So this is what's going on. We got a top 30 to me, and then up here is our flower crowns we're gonna wear later. We just need Hillary's and Lindsay's here. So cute. And then you're gonna come over here, and Hillary's making me cry with these right now. I have this like, I haven't opened it yet. I'll open it up later, but look how cute these are. And then we all have them. Right here, right here. Also, here's the shoe game right now. How many did you count? 15 pairs of shoes between the 3 of us right now. Absolutely insane, but I'm obsessed. I'm so happy. This is so fun.
Wasn't that elevator sketchy? The Peabody one.
Hi guys, we're back from our little like visit of the spa to see what it looks like. We're about to go to dinner, so we all changed. I'm in this romper that is literally a size too big, but I have never worn it before, so I have to like wear these heels. Super tall, but I'm digging it. Pockets, new hat. All right, we're gonna go to dinner. Do you know the name of the restaurant?
I think the bistro.
It's just the bistro. Okay, so it's just the bistro here at the spa. So that should be good. Hi guys, we moved on to dinner now. We are at the bistro and it's wicked cute. First of all, we're all wearing flowers. Let me show you. I got my flowers. She has her flowers. You got your flowers and you got your flowers. So I'm really loving that. Also, we're in the cutest little area of the bistro. Has music on the wall, and then this is our like little area. I'm so excited. Guys, we were back in our room. We just went downstairs to where the bar and the pool was, and there's like a little indoor hangout area. They closed at 9, but they were closed before, so that was a little bit of a bummer because everyone wanted to get drinks, kind of hang out by the fire in the pool until they were closed. But anyways, we're back in our room, and I think we're gonna get the pajama party started. I'm so excited. I gotta figure out how to put on the projector, but I'm excited. Helen came back with a whole bottle of, is this wine? Champagne.
Rosé.
Okay, so she came back with that. We're all in our robes. Well, not yet, I guess. But do you see this over here? This is a projector. And we're trying to project Disney Plus, but apparently Disney Plus won't let you, so we can't. We can project YouTube and Netflix and Hulu and everything, so we're gonna figure out something to do, but it's really kind of bumming because we really watched the new movie on Disney Plus called Clouds. Anyways, we gotta figure that. We gotta take a photo with our crowns and our robes and figure out what we're gonna watch. I don't know. That's cool.
Oh my god!
I feel like one of the flowers should go in the front.
That was how it was designed.
No.
I know.
So pretty though.
I know.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's.
Yeah, that's how it should go. So pretty.
Yeah. Right.
Maybe this isn't a good
Do you need my hand? Like, what's happening?
I turned the water on by accident with my arm.
I mean, do you do this with your friends? Did I ever show you what was in here? It's got a little card. Happy birthday mug. And then Smith Family Popcorn, which is so good. This is cookies and cream. And then my favorite candy. Sprites, and then stuff for Shirley Temples. And it came in a little popcorn box. So cute, Hillary. Love ya. We're on a mission to get ice, so we all need to go. In our pajamas. Got it. Got the ice. Stepping you is, oh my god, you're coming right at me.
Another nice mission.
Actually, we're 30.
Okay, we tried to watch a movie, but then got bored after we watched the vlog. So, playing Cards Against Humanity now. Well, starting to. We got my mom's giant pack. Fire going on in the back. Got my cards, which, if that's the indication of how today's game is gonna go, I can't wait. So yeah, Cards Against Humanity. Good morning, everyone. Next day, and we just started over here with the hot tub. I'm sitting by the fire now, but he's out. It's a little rainy, but it's fine. It's been really nice, this little getaway. I was really stressed out about it because I have a lot of work to do, but it was 1000% worth it, and I'm feeling so much better. It's been so amazing.
We drive straight as an arrow flies. Nowhere to be, no dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right.
like this really frizzy hair bun going on, but I made dinner. Look at this. Meatballs. Look a little messy, I promise. They're good. Some homemade sauce. Oh my goodness. And then regular noodles for Nick, wheat noodles for myself. So I'm gonna put dinner together. We're gonna eat it. We're gonna relax for the rest of the night. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. If you haven't already, can you please subscribe to my channel? Hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment. And I guess until we see you in the next vlog, bye. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Hold on. I guess until we see you in the next vlog. No, that still doesn't make sense. What am I trying to say? I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.